How to fix Instagram camera not taking pictures on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram camera not taking pictures on Android or iOS phone. First, open settings, scroll down until you find here apps, then click apps again. Now type here Instagram and go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions. Make sure storage is allowed, maybe we'll find it like that. Click on it and click allow, and if you have an iPhone, just go to your gallery, delete some photos and videos, and make sure you have enough space. And after that, just go to Play Store, make sure your Instagram is updated, then restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix it, now you need to uninstall your Instagram and to install it again. And that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.